First, you begin with 2 Coca-Cola bottles. They don't have to be that exact brand, but that's exactly what I'm using. Next, you drink it down. And then peel off the wrapper. Take the cap off. Do the same with both. But remember, when you peel off the wrapper, it doesn't have to be perfect, unless you want it to. And peel off that wrapper too. Now you can even take off the cap, because you don't need either. By now, you should have 2 empty bottles of Coke cans. Now you need one more thing. You have 2 empty bottles and a funnel. This funnel looks like this on the inside. Okay. Now, the last thing that you truly need is water. You need 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups, 5 cups, 6 cups, and finally 7 cups. 7 cups of water is all you need. And now, cleanup time! You could just use this for all clean. This part's optional. You can use dye, food coloring, to color your water. Blue, pink. No, but seriously, check out that color. It's gonna be even awesomer. That makes purple. You don't need to mix it in because it'll mix itself in when you first do your tornado or whirlpool. Next, put the red funnel over the bottle with your water in it and screw it on. Next, boom! Put the bottle without the water in it on top of the red funnel and screw it in. Here's how you make a volcano happen. First, lift it up. Next, twist it so the water is on the top bottle. Next, go to position 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you just keep doing that, twist it around and around and around and around, and then you've got yourself a little tornado in a bottle. Or a whirlpool if you prefer. Optional part. First, unscrew the top bar. Lift it up. Next, you have this teeny itty little bitty marshmallow. This can be used as... Wait, how do we have a little bit of a surprise? Can anybody guess what that's going to be used for? Anybody? Anybody? Well, you'll have to find out. Next step, unscrew the red and take it off. Now, drop the marshmallow into the container with the water. Put the red funnel on top of the container with the water. Screw it on. Next, put the container without the water on top of the red funnel and screw it in. Now, who's ready for the answer to the question that I asked earlier? The answer to the question is the marshmallow is going to be a little boat. And the water is the ocean. So our water has become a tiny whirlpool, and the marshmallow is a little helpless boat. Let's test it out. See that? That would be the marshmallows struggling to get to the top. The marshmallow will not be able to go through the red funnel, so you have to unscrew it, take it out, and put it back into the container with the water. Congratulations, you made either a tornado or a whirlpool.